everyone. As in the previous video we have learned how to download and install Python. Now in this video we'll learn how to install Jupyter Notebook on our computer. So let's begin with it. To install Jupyter Notebook, firstly we'll go to Google Chrome and search Jupyter Notebook. The first link will be its official website. Here is Jupyter Notebook. Install the notebook. Here is Jupyter Notebook and the command to install is pip install notebook. So we'll go to command prompt, type pip space install space notebook and press enter. In my laptop it is already installed, so here is coming requirement already satisfied, but in your case it will start installing. Now it is installed, so for opening Jupyter Notebook we'll type Jupyter space notebook and then press enter. The Jupyter Notebook will be opened in your default web browser. So here is Jupyter Notebook. We'll go to new and open Python 3 notebook and then it will be opened. Here is your Jupyter Notebook, and to learn more about it, we'll see it in the next video lecture.